Hi, my name is Paresh Pandya. For personal and corporate training, please contact me on mobile number 9820779826. You can also email us on paresh.creativeline@gmail.com. Hi guys, once again welcome to my channel. Guys, आज मैं आपको बहुत सारे वर्ड के शॉर्टकट कीज समझाने वाला हूँ जिससे आप नॉर्मल एम्प्लॉई से सुपर एम्प्लॉय बन सकते हो, नॉर्मल बॉस से सुपर बॉस बन सकते हो. सो गाइस, ये वीडियो आपको एंड तक देखना है क्योंकि ये वीडियो के दौरान जो भी शॉर्टकट कीज यूज की हुई है उसकी डिटेल लिस्ट आपको एट द एंड मिलेगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो गाइस. So this is my company name, Paresh Pandya Creative Line, and my cursor at the beginning of the line. अगर मुझे ये select line करना है, so you have to use Shift End. And if अगर मेरा कर्सर at the end है, तो Shift and Home बटन आपको यूज करना है. Now, if I want this in the right hand side, Control R is for right alignment, Control L is for left alignment, Control E is for center alignment. Same way, Control B is for bold, Control I is for italic, and Control U is for underline. Now you can see ये मेरा परेश पंड्या small letters में. If I want to make into uppercase, so Shift plus F3, ये capitalize each word हो गया. Shift plus F3 पूरा ही capital हो गया. And Shift F3 is for small. So Shift F3 is for change case. Now Control Shift and greater sign is to increase font. Control Shift greater sign is to decrease font. Control A is to select all. But now guys, I don't want to select my first line. Then I have to put my cursor on the second line and Control Shift End button. Select except first line. Now you can see मेरा left alignment proper है, right नहीं है. तो Control J is for justify. Now Control, if you want to increase the gap between two lines, Control 2 is for 2 line spacing, Control 5 is for 1.5 line spacing, and Control 1 is for 1 line spacing. Control Shift M, Control M if you want indent, and Control Shift M if you want it back to normal. Same way, Control T is for hanging, and Control Shift T if you want it back to normal. If here suppose I want, जैसे ये मेरा trademark है and I want as a superscript, so Control Shift and is equal to sign is for superscript. And for example, if I want to write down H2O and अगर मुझे 2 as a superscript चाहिए, Control is equal to is for subscript. So guys, this kind of shortcuts अगर आप day to day life में use करते हो, so आपका speed बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. Guys, hope you like this video. Thank you for watching my channel.